Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video we are going to continue with the second exercise of rational and irrational numbers. Moving on to question number 19, write 3 rational numbers between root 3 and root 5. Over here again you are given 2 irrational numbers and you have to insert rational numbers between them. So I'll use the first method now and then I'll show you the other method. First method में I'll write down the values of the roots. So this is 1.732 ... and this is 2.236 something ... Now the 3 rational numbers between these two numbers, it is easy to write down 1.8, 1.9, 2, 2.1, 2.2 as well. So I have got so many numbers between these two numbers. So root 3 is less than root 5 and considering 3 rational numbers between root 3 and root 5, I have say 1.8, 1.9 and 2. Over here I won't write root 3 and root 5, I'll just write down its decimal value. Okay, now the final statement, the 3 rational numbers between root 3 and root 5 are 1.8, 1.9 and 2.0. Let us solve the sum by second method now. Now we have root 3 and root 5 over here and I have to find rational numbers between these two numbers. So basically I should know perfect squares between these two numbers. So I have 3 and 5 over here. तो 3 and 5 के बीच में कौन सा perfect squares है? So 3 के terms में let us recall. I know 324. Okay, that is 3.24 if I consider. तो उसका square root होता है 1.8. Another if I recall say 3.61, then उसका square root हो जाएगा 1.9. And another easy one is 3 and 5 के बीच में होता है square root of 4, that is 2. Okay, so I can write that as well. So square root of 3 is less than square root of 5 considering 3 rational numbers between root 3 and root 5. Sorry. I have root 3 is less than root of 3.24, root of 3.61. You should know perfect squares in these case. Root of 4.00 or 4, whatever you can write. I have written 4.00, you can also write 4 less than root 5. Now 3.24 is basically 1.8. This is 1.9. This is 2 and here is a last number. Now I'll write down the final statement. The 3 rational numbers between root 3 and root 5 are 1.8, 1.9 and 2.0. Moving on to the next question, question number 20. simplify each of the following. Now we are given some roots over here and you have to solve them and find the answer. This is very simple. Starting with the first part of the question, 5th root of 16 into 5th root of 2. Now both the roots are 5th root. Okay, now previous sums में हम लोग ने थोड़ा सा solving किया था, where say we had numbers like these, root 2 into root 3. Now both were square root. जब दोनों root same हो, that is दोनों का power same हो, I can take a common root and then multiply these numbers, provided यहाँ पे multiply sign होना चाहिए. We cannot add them, we cannot subtract them directly, but yes, multiplication and division we can do. So root 2 into root 3, I can write it like this. अगर I would have root say 2 into root 5, then it would become like this, root of 2 into 5. If I have say 10th root of 5 into 10th root of 200, then this would become 10th root of 5 into 200 and whatever answer you get. Over here I'll get 1000, here it is 10 and here it is 6. So that is how you can solve it. So over here I'll get 5th root of 16 into 2. Okay. Now 16 को I'll split, I'll factorize 16. So if I split it, it is basically 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If you factorize it, you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and over here I have this 2. So this 2 is occurring 5 times. Okay, so I can write it like this. It is 5th root of 2 raised to 5, because 5 times multiply हो रहा है, so 2 raised to 5 हो जाएगा. Now if 5th root of 2 raised to 5 है, तो the number, the power and the root cancels out and you get the number itself. हम लोग ने previous questions में भी किया था, if I have square root of 2 square, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, square and square root cancel हो जाएगा and I'll get the number itself. If I have cube root of 5 cube, then cube and cube root दोनों cancel out हो जाता है. Okay, so I get 5 only over here. Let me give you one more example to understand this. अगर I have say 7th root of 10 raised to 7, ओके, तो 7th रूट है एंड यहाँ पे 7 है. ओके, दोनों का ये सेम होना चाहिए. इफ आई हैव 7th रूट तो यहाँ पे भी 7 होना चाहिए. इफ आई हैव ओवर योर स्क्वायर रूट तो आई शुड हैव स्क्वायर ओवर योर. इफ आई हैव क्यूब रूट देन इट शुड बी रेज टू 3 ओवर योर. सो इफ आई एम हैविंग सेम नंबर्स, दैट इज सेम रूट वैल्यू एंड सेम पावर यहाँ पे, then I can actually cancel out each other, they cancel out each other, and then I'll get only the number remaining. So over here 5th root of 2 raised to 5 है, तो the answer is going to be 2. So this is my final answer. Now moving on to the next part of the question. 4th root of 243 upon 4th root of 3. We cannot add or subtract roots, but we can multiply and divide them. Okay, just be careful with the root ka powers over here. The power over here is 4th root and 4th root है यहाँ पे, so I can take common root over here. Okay, multiplication and division में you can take common root if दोनों root का value same है. So I have 4th root on both numerator and denominator, so I can take common 4th root. So it will be 243 divided by 3. Now I'll divide it by 3. So I'll get 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. So fourth root of 81 है. Now 81 को मैं factorize करती हूँ. So when I factorize 81, I'll get 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So this is basically fourth root of 3 raised to 4 हो जाता है. 4 times multiply हो रहा है, so it will be 3 raised to 4 over here. Now fourth root of 3 raised to 4. I told you in previous वाला part also over here in this question that if root का number and यहाँ पे power both are same, they cancel out each other and I'll get the number itself. So the answer is going to be 3. Moving on to the third part of the question. It's 3 plus root 2 into 4 plus root 7. Over here we have two brackets, okay, which are separated by multiplication sign, okay. So 3 plus root 2 into 4 plus root 7. What I'll do is I'll open the first bracket, I'll split the first bracket. So 3 को I'll multiply by second bracket and then I'll multiply this by the second bracket. So I'll multiply 3 by 4 plus root 7 and then I'll write the number with the sign over here. So I have plus root 2 over here, minus root 2 होता तो I would write minus root 2. So plus root 2 into 4 plus root 7. Now I'll open the bracket, I'll multiply 3 by these two numbers. So 3 4s are 12 plus 3 into root 7. So 3 अलग ही रहेगा and root 7 will remain as it is. Over here I have root 2 into 4. So obviously I'm not going to take it inside the root. The number outside will remain as it is and root will remain as it is. Now I have root 2 into root 7. दोनों square root है तो I can take common root and 2 into 7. So that will give 14. So now इसके आगे I cannot perform any addition or subtraction over here. So the answer is final. So this is my final answer. Moving on to the last part of the question. Root 3 minus root 2 the whole square. Now this is of the form a minus b the whole square. When I expand it, it's going to be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I'll apply this over here. A का square हो जाएगा, so root 3 square minus 2 into a into b. So a is root 3 into b, that is root 2 plus b square. So b is root 2, उसका square हो जाएगा. Now square of a root of a number, okay, it is going to cancel out and I'll get the number itself, okay. Now 2 root 3 into root 2, I can take common root, दोनों square root ही है तो I can take common root 3 into 2, I'll multiply, so I'll get 6 plus root 2 का square, square of a root of a number gives the number itself. 3 plus 2 gives 5, 5 minus 2 root 6. This is the final answer.